UTI Bladder Natural Treatment. The kidney serves as one of the most important parts of the human body, and its primary job is to filter out all the wastes and toxins from the blood. The kidney is intended for maintaining homeostasis in the body, which states that there should be a proper balance in blood pressure, water, a hormone in the bloodstream, and minerals. All the wastes filtered out from the kidney are thrown out in the form of urine, and the urinary bladder helps the body to flush out the urine. However, due to various factors, there is degradation in balance, which gives rise to many problems in the body. In this video, you will know the best herbal cure for UTI, bladder kidney infections, and chronic renal disease at home.
Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
A malfunction in the functional process of the kidney causes increases in the toxic fluid in the body, and this failure causes infection, stone, and various other issues. These problems can be curbed down by opting for herbal treatment for kidney cleansing, which will repair all the damages done during improper functionality of the kidney. Currently, UT Clear capsules serve as the most efficient herbal remedy to detox kidneys naturally, and one can easily buy this supplement from an online store. This pill has received many positive reviews from users as well as experts who give it a big thumb up for usage. Cleanse kidney naturally. UT Clear capsule, which is an herbal treatment for kidney cleansing, works meticulously, and the main reason behind its enormous potential is the specially selected herbs. The herbs are assisting it in flushing out of harmful materials through the urinary bladder without causing any pain. The herbs repair all kind of damages that has occurred during the presence of infection or kidney stone, and also checks the growth of other harmful elements. The herb present in this pill is associated with the much antibacterial property that curbs down all kinds of growth of bacteria and infection in UTI. This capsule is a useful tool to detox kidneys naturally without harming the natural balance of the body. UT Clear capsule is packed with a good number of natural herbs that are mixed naturally without any kind of adulteration of chemicals, so there isn't any kind of chance of growth of side effects. If you want to know how to get UT Clear capsule discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Herbs to detox kidney. The ingredients used for making this herbal treatment for kidney cleansing are taj, kali musli, halber, kaknaj, patharkur, kakadi, alu balu, amba haldi, kulthi, bastimoda, mccoy, varna, samudra shok, gokshura, son, karpuri, shilajit, jawakar, and elaichi bati. All these herbs have one thing in common, which is an anti-inflammatory property that curbs down any kind of swelling. How to use UT Clear. If you are planning to detox kidneys naturally, then you can take UT Clear capsule, which is an herbal remedy and totally safe for usage. For complete cleansing, you should continue taking this pill for at least 2 months, but to get the complete result, it should be continued for 4 months. This capsule should be taken twice in a day, once after breakfast and another one after dinner. During this process, you should consume a lot of water along with other liquids, and also regulate your diet plan, which assists the herb in performing smoothly. World's finest kidney care supplements.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy UT Clear capsules at naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.